Hey guys, I'm doing an unboxing on the JBL Flip 4, and here's the features. Okay, Bluetooth and 12 hours of battery life. If you can see that. There we go. 12 hours of battery life. IPX7 means you can submerge it in water. And JBL Plus Connect. You can connect the newer speakers, but you can't connect the JBL Flip 3 to this one. It won't work for old speakers. And there's the mic. Okay. Sorry for the blur. And here's sort of stuff in the back. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Here's the back for that. And you can link 100 plus JBLs. Connect plus. Anyway, here's I'm gonna open it. Yeah, it's a little bit. Alright, the stick goes off. Okay. And I open it. This is the instruction. Here, I'll just sorry for the blur. There we go. Okay, here's the instructions. Okay, there you go. It's the book. Here, I'll just show you it. There we go. Okay, yeah, that's the book for that. Destination mark. And here, what's in this box? Okay, sorry about that. Here's the charger for it. And here's the speaker itself. There's all the buttons. Volume up and down. Play and pause. Hang up. Bluetooth. Here we're going to power it on. Yeah, it's nice and new. There's the base radiators. JBL and a destination mark. It's kind of cool. Okay, here I'm going to connect it to my Samsung. Let's put it in pairing mode first. Okay, 1 second, sorry about that. For the focusing. There you go, it's better. Yeah, it's right there. It's connected. Okay, and the song I'm going to play is... There we go. Here we go. Sorry for the unfocused problem there. But you can see it. There we go. Okay, here I play it. It's actually pretty loud. That's the full match. Anyway guys, like and comment and subscribe, and that's pretty much it on the JBL Flip 4. It's a pre-improvement over the Flip 3. Bye.